Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 8 to you, which is October the 1st through the 7th. We're looking at travel vocabulary. For this week, you're going to want to study pages 282 to 288 and pages 298 to 302. After this week's exercises, you should be able to identify and correctly use travel vocabulary, and you should be able to relate basic information about Peru's history, economy, geography, and people. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 6, and they're due on the 4th of October. You want to start this week the same as always by looking at your instructor-made videos, which go over Chapter 9 vocabulary. And then you are going to want to click on the class participation forum, click on the thread, and post any questions or concerns you have. Hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about the material covered in the video. Then you also have a Peru assignment. So if you open it up, there are videos about Peru, and there's also the transcripts in English that go with the video, so you can download those, or you can open up the video, and like always, they'll have the English captions. So when you open up the video, if you click on the CC at the bottom, you can click on the English, and then you'll hear the video in Spanish, but you can read in English. Okay, so you could see that she was speaking in Spanish and there were the captions in English at the bottom. So when you're ready, you open it up. You only get one attempt to do this, so don't open it until you're ready. There's some short answer questions. Remember, those have to be manually graded, so if you get them wrong and you think they're right, just be patient with me. I have to get to everybody's, and I have 6 classes, so just be patient. And then you have a bunch of true, false questions about what you saw in the videos. Okay, and so all right, so you have that. Then you also have some SAM activities in My Language Lab. So you'll go out to the calendar and go over to the 4th, and you'll want to pick course calendar just to make sure you're on the right calendar. And I'm going to need to click back over again. And you'll click on the 4th, and the assignment should pop up in the middle, and you want to open them up, and you can do them as many times as you would like before the due date. But if you do them more than 3 times, then you probably want to reach out to me for help so I can explain to you what you're doing wrong. And I think that's everything you have for this week.